Hey, welcome to another edition of Inside SEGS. This is episode 4. We're talking about original content this time around. What will and won't be in the Super Entity Games server. A lot of people have been asking about this on Reddit and Facebook and that, and even Twitter, and even in the Discord chat. So we wanted to try to clear up some of the misinformation and basically get everybody on the same page as to what's going to happen with that content. How are you going to be, what's going to be there to play? Well, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Is there going to be missions and content from City of Heroes, from the original game? No. Emphatically, no. There will not be anything from the original game included in SEGS when it launches. Why not? Simple. It's all owned by these guys here, NC Soft. They own it. It's all of their stuff. So we can't really distribute it. It's just like if we were to take Infinity War and try to distribute that. It doesn't belong to us. So, and it just causes a whole bunch of legal problems, and we don't want to deal with that kind of stuff. We're trying to make this as open as possible to allow as many people as possible to run this game, run their own server. And we don't want any legal hassles with these guys because, they own the IP to City of Heroes, and if we start playing around with that, then yeah, we're in all kinds of trouble. And we're, and as it is now, we think we're on pretty solid legal ground, but you never know. I mean, lawyers are tricky people. I mean, they might come up with something. So basically, what will be in SEGS? Well, the discussion primarily has been that we will have some type of starter content in there that's original, and it will be used as an example of how you can create your own content. So there will be something there. We don't know really what. I've submitted an idea. I'm sure somebody else will submit some ideas, and we just kind of go from there. But yeah, the discussion and talk has been basically there will be something there. We just don't know what yet. We're kind of far away from that point right now. We're more worried about actually getting a server up and running and being stable and all of that. So and making sure that characters and content and all that kind of stuff can actually work. So yeah, but something is going to happen. Something is going to be in there. Now, will you be able to create your own content? Of course, you'll be able to create your own content. That's all part of the SEGS idea. Being able to, because if we can't have the original content from City of Heroes, what are you going to be able to play? Well, you make your own stuff up, or you can let other people make stuff and then you add it. So this is a way for people to basically create a community and share their content with each other. You create this really great mission and you want to share it with everybody else, and some other server admin says, hey, I like that. I want to put that on mine. Can I? Sure, here you go. That kind of thing. So some kind of exchange of ideas and content will be available to you. Well, how will you create that content? Well, we are implementing a scripting system into SEGS, which will allow you to be able to create that content. Right now, we're looking at using Lua, L-U-A. It's a scripting language. There's a very simple engine for that in SEGS right now that you can kind of play with if you compile from source. In Qt Creator, you can enable the scripting system, so you can kind of go in and you can kind of create very simple scripts for like plaques and those kinds of things right now. But it's not really fleshed out. There's nothing really there that allows you to do anything in regards to like AI or anything like that. We've got all that kind of stuff way down the road that we're not ready to get to yet because, hey, we're still trying to get the basics down. We're trying to get movement and everything else. But you will be able to create your own content yourself. We will not be distributing anything from the original City of Heroes game. No missions, no characters, no scripts, no nothing like that. But you will have something there that we create to kind of get you started and to be used as an example so you can see how that scripting actually works. So you can create your own content using the tools that we are developing for that. So I hope this answers all your information, all your questions, I should say. This gives you all the information you need to kind of get on the same page as us. If you still have questions, you know where to find us. You can find us on the Discord chat, discord.segs.io. You can go to the forums at www.segs.io. And, of course, you can ask us on one of the many Reddit posts that we have going on over in the City of Heroes subreddit. And then, of course, there's Facebook on some of the groups. We're in most of the groups. One way or the other, you'll be able to find us, get word to us, and we're even on Twitter. SEGS Code is our name on Twitter, so you can actually tweet us and send us a DM or whatever if you have a question, and we'll do our best to answer that for you. Thanks for watching this episode of Inside SEGS, all about original content, and hopefully we'll see you in the city soon.